nous vous retrouvons maintenant pour la première thématique des JDL sur le plateau TV. Paolo Balugani, le CEO de la société Valla, qui nous vient d'Italie. Bonjour Paolo. Carry on this roundtable in English. With you, Paolo Balugani, you are the CEO of the Valla company, an Italian company. So what's new in your company?
Historical company providing from ever pick and carry solution, and the last 15 years developing the full electric version of the pick and carry crane. Pick and carry crane is mainly used in the internal situation, internal amusement, internal maintenance. Okay, and in particular, we are present in the French market in the last 40 years.
40 years.
40 years. Now, what about news? For us, is a relevant edition of JDL because we finalized the relaunch. The company now is presenting a full set of cranes starting from 1.8 ton to 15 ton, okay, with 4 different type of crane, starting with the entry level is from 1.8 ton to 2.2 ton is the manual crane. It means that you have a very useful and simple steering system that you can drive the crane by your hands, okay. Starting from we have 3 models in this range. We have 60 models in the radio controlled range, starting from 3.6 ton to 15 ton, okay. We have a cabin version, okay, that is other 11 model from 5 ton to 15 ton. And the last range is a carry deck range. It's a special crane, always full electric, because a crane provided by outriggers too. It means that you have the capacity to pick the load and travel, or if you prefer, you can put down the outriggers and do the classic operation with the load bearings, like all the other crane is without the load bearings.
I've read in documentation that you have a new software.
You're talking probably of one of our best unique selling point is the vertical mode. Vertical mode because, as I told you before, pick and carry crane are always used in a narrow space, and you need to be precise to the best ways possible, okay? And while you have the winch application, the load going up and down in present vertical condition, when you have hook or other system, it's always difficult for the operators using the 2 joystick and maintain the perfect vertical condition. We use the software, you use the mechatronic that is on board. Okay.
Just one joystick?
And we have one joystick, the first vertical condition of the boom. And this is really a big support to the operators in every kind of condition you need. The other USP that we have introduced is the HIV, that is the enhanced holding valve, is development of the hydraulic valve, keeping still the boom that was developed with one of the best suppliers we have in Italy for chakra valve. And this is create the maximum capacity for the boom to stay in the same position and to use a very fine movement, because often our customers asking this kind of type situation. For example, we are changing a lot of engine in the aircraft for maintaining, and while you put down the engine, you will stay in the same position for 3 hours without any millimeter of change of level. No movement. Because to keep the screw with the special glue, they need the time, and this is really some tricky situation, but we solve in a brilliant way.
Okay, so high precision for the new crane.
Yeah.
Thank you, Paolo. So we can have a look on your product.
Yeah, sure. Yes, 5 units and some option to the master to our customer.
We'll visit you.